Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to pick up exactly where we left off with the previous video. So I've got the play one movement and the opponent AI scripts open, and I'm just going to come down to where the characters have been struck. So here we are at the play one, play hit by standard movement. So let's come and find the same place in the opponent AI. So the opponent AI, I changed the naming convention from hit by standard attack to hit by standard movement. Just need to swap out the naming convention for the void and the debug log as well. So let's just save that off. So as you can see, opponent hit by left punch, right punch, high kick all go to this function that we've renamed. And now we've renamed the void, and this will handle our movement for the opponent. We need to do the same for the player. So player hit by standard, and this is called correct standard movement. But of course we still have the functions going straight to wait for hit animations. We need to change that to player hit by standard movement. And we'll just do this for all four. High kick, low kick, left and right punch. So last one. And we'll just save it off there for the moment. So this is correct. We have now within this function standard movement. Now we go to wait for hit animations. So now we need to deal with the player hit by special move head, body, and that movement script as well. So again, we can actually just copy and paste code from the opponent AI. So we'll copy all code in the function for head. And then we'll do the same for the body. And now we'll begin to fix the red errors. So we need to change that to player hit head animation. And of course here as well for body. So I'm just going to have a look. So I can see I've made a mistake in the opponent AI. I've put a head animation for both. So we'll quickly rectify that by changing to opponent hit body animation. And now we'll do for the player as well. So We're going to obviously change opponent AI here to opponent AI here, and play one states here to equal. We need to change player one movement and play one stats here. And I'll just break up my code and comments like this. Let's just copy that, and we can paste that straight into the special move body. So let's have a look. Opponent AI audio source. So let's have a look. I've actually got this as player AI audio source. To be honest, I'm going to paste that in, but I'm going to change that naming convention. And oh, excuse me. Really, that should be player one. So let's just change that out. And I'm just going to go through, make sure that's changed correctly, which it has. So opponent hit by special move audio. So let's have a look. So we didn't create the audio clips. So we'll again just copy the two clips from the opponent AI. So let's have a little look. We'll put them all together. Obviously, we're just going to change opponent to player. And we'll just change and tidy up the comments as well. And let's come down. And we'll just paste it in here. Obviously this one I'll just change to body. We'll just tidy up and change the comments. So let's just save that off there. I'm just going to come back to the opponent AI. So the opponent AI, we have this one red error where it hasn't renamed standard attack to standard movement. So we'll go ahead and change that in the switch block. So let's have a look. I just need to change that comment there. And we'll just quickly save that off again. And I think we're going to leave it here for this lesson. we'll continue this in the very next video, and hopefully we'll get around to doing a little bit of testing soon, because I know a lot of you like to see that, so we'll try and get in the either the next video or the video after. But as I said, we'll leave it here for now. As always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time. And until then, as always, bye for now.